I have seen videos that suggest spraying a water, baking soda, dish soap, olive oil solution on fruit trees and vegetable plants to combat aphids, whiteflies, mites, and scale. Would this be effective? Chris, London, Ontario, Canada. So what do you think about that? So let's say that again. Baking soda, dish soap, olive oil solution.
So to me, that sounds like it may actually have a combination of a variety of potentially useful ingredients. There are potassium bicarbonate products, there are insecticidal soap products, there are oil products. So I'll give you my perspective on that.
I'll give you mine. Okay.
My general recommendation is that for low impact products like those soaps and oils and bicarbonate products, to stick with commercial formulations because we are more familiar with their efficacy.
Right. So I would agree with that, and I was going to say that. So that's good. Right. But yeah, so they will actually, of course, what we're talking about will work for, these insect pests that are listed, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, I would want you to buy that said product, to get the control that you're looking for.
And be able to find your pest or disease on the label.
Right, because we do know that, of course, your oils, like your neem oil, for example, does a good job, insecticidal soap and such. But yeah, get that product, and I'm sure if you check with your agent there, possibly, they would have, a spray guide, especially for your fruit trees, and then they would have, of course, publications for your vegetables as well. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.